Welcome to Lutong Bahay with Nanay. Today we are going to make macaroni soup. Alright, take it away, Nanay. Anong mga laman nito?
There's butter, onion, garlic, himay na chicken, celery, carrot.
Okay. And then, how many minutes to kailangan stir?
Maybe 5 minutes.
Okay. Oh, what is this? Paano nagawa tong soup?
Chicken bowl.
Oh. So, binoil yung chicken. Shit, guys, nasunog yung ano natin. Nasunog. Okay. What makes this different from the soup of other people?
I don't know. Put a lot of ginger because it's natural antibiotic.
So, yan guys, yung sikreto is a lot of ginger. Okay, we'll wait for this to boil for 5 minutes. So, ngayon, pinasok natin sa loob yung mga macaroni. Nanay, let's show them the macaroni. So, yan, pinasok na natin yung mga macaroni shells that look like shells. Shells. Okay. So, ngayon, nagdagdag tayo ng repolyo. Is this repolyo? Ng mga pechay na gulay din. Pero nilagay natin siya nung kumulo na. Tapos naglagay na din tayo ng macaroni para sa sopas. Okay, so right now nagdadagdag tayo ng chicken bouillon. Kasi medyo walang lasa yung soup niya. So, eto na. Kalutong bahay. Natapos na din ang ating sopas. Oh, medyo mainit siya. Yan. Ito yung laman. This is sopas with no milk. So, kung lactose intolerant kayo and kailangan ng sopas na walang gatas, ito, pack na pack para sa inyo. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.